II, the Royal Canadian Air Force made an enormous contribution to the Allied war effort. It was instrumental, for example, in the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan, which trained thousands of aircrew at its facilities around Canada. And on the front line, 44 squadrons of the RCAF served within the Royal Air Force. One of them was number 402 City of Winnipeg Squadron, which was formed on Hurricanes at Digby in Lincolnshire. It converted to Spitfires following a year at Kenley and flew them from various bases for the rest of World War II in Europe. And those Spitfires included the very one that we see flying here with the CF-188 in the markings of number 402 Royal Canadian Air Force Squadron.
When we tell him we shall smash.
There he is on the back of the aeroplane.
What?
There he is coming down the steps.
In this heritage flight display, number 402 Squadron symbolised our shared air power heritage between Britain and Canada.
Alright, Charlie, stop
This
it.
Spitfire F-5B has 7 confirmed aerial victories with the Navy. It served with number 402 Squadron during 1944. Among many other operations, 402 took part in the Dieppe raid of 1942. During 1944, it was involved in Operation Overlord, the Allied landings in Normandy, and the armed landings. In total, during wartime, it flew 10,504 sorties for the loss of 47 of its pilots, including 36 who were left killed or missing. It was credited with 49 enemy aircraft destroyed, as well as 5 B-1 flying bombs. And one of 2 aces notched up by number 402 Squadron. Squadron leader Geoffrey Northcott flew this very Spitfire himself with another unit, number 501 Squadron. 402 Squadron is still active in today's Royal Canadian Air Force, flying the CC-142-8 trainer, generating new combat air systems officers and airborne electronic sensor operators for the modern-day RCAF.
Hello? Do you want your coat?
CF-188 from 45 Tactical Fighter Squadron at Canadian Forces Base, Baxville. One of a number of modern RCAF aircraft here. Quite a lot more of them can be found in the static display at the far right-hand end of the airfield, along with representatives of the RCAF history, the Havilland of the Shuttle collection, and the Havilland Vampire of the Norwegian Air Force Historical Squadron, both of them in Canadian colours.
We got one battery bit left and it was just flashing red, so we took it off about 10 minutes.
As the Spitfire just seen forms part of the fighter collection in Duxton, a preeminent collections of airworthy Second World War and pre-World War II aircraft in Europe, founded in the 1980s by Stephen Gray. And it was in the hands here of the great Norwegian warbird pilot Rolf Neil, former Royal Norwegian Air Force fighter pilot, and for many, many years was the leading light on the warbird scene in both piston and jet engine aircraft.
Oh yeah, I need to, he said, yeah, carry the aircraft on when it's filmed, because 1980, it was not on, it used to be 1980 and 81, he was like, no, that's beyond, he was like, you've asked questions, I know, like, you can please stick that on, Mummy, I want to stick that in there.
Yeah, just take the stuff out, actually, put it in there, stop it getting wet. But it's stopped now.
Did you see the